Yeah, he sent me a letter. He indicated that he wanted to testify. So sabi ko, yes, if you are testifying on the flood control projects, then we will schedule a hearing. Tentatively, we have scheduled it on April 14. But if we can hold it much earlier, then why not? Because alam mo, magbe-break kami starting Thursday or Friday. Kung agad-agad tatawag ng hearing, baka nasa vacation mode pa yung baka ako lang mag-isa na dyan. So, I want to be joined by my colleagues.
So, may
let's see.
papatawag, sir, including the 18 former military.
We'll have to consult my colleagues, the members, because may mga collective, may mga issues, individual and collective issues that must be addressed. I, for one, nasabi ko na ito na tatawag tayo. Kung masyadong napakalayo sa katotohanan, anong gagawin natin? How do we treat the information and even the resource persons? Ang iniwasan ko, once obvious na nagsisinungaling, merong mag-motion para i-cite for contempt, pagkatapos i-detain, medyo may problema tayo doon. Sabihin natin, public opinion, parang ina-appeal nyo pa yung mga resource persons. But we should treat them in the same manner that we treated the other resource persons. When they are lying through their teeth, mahirap naman sigurong double standard tayo.
So, Carlos, wala bet ba sir yung sasabihin ni nakapabet niyo muna, sir?
Wala pa. Pero sabi niya, ang betting na nangyari, anong itetestify mo, go. Sabi niya, flood control. Okay, we'll accept yung
Sir,
request
nagpunta siya
niya.
mismo sa inyo kahapon.
Yeah, he was in my office yesterday.
Sir, pagkasabit mo sa affidavit?
He may or he may not. Kasi basta tama na sa akin, ang itetestify niya relevant do sa inimbestigahan ng Blue Ribbon.
So, sir, verbal, walang affidavit siya na isinabit sa inyo?
Wala. Basta yun lang ang sinigurado ko tungkol sa flood control yung kanyang testimony.
Last hearing na sir yung April 14.
No, not necessarily.
Anong
Kasi
magiging...
wala pa, yung partial pa nga, wala pa.
Pero sir, yung sa 18, sir, paano sir yun? Kasi clear naman sir na
May mga gustong patawag, pero mas marami yung wag nang ipatawag kasi magugulo lang yung hearing. Sabi ko nga, ilapit lang ng konti sa katotohanan. Why not?
Sir,
How about
na-require niyo
Mike
pa na...
Defensor, sir?
Anong kinalaman ni Mike Defensor?
Sir, hindi po siya sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Even Attorney Baligot, parang wala siya masyadong insistence. Kasi he should have communicated with the committee by now. Kung gusto niya talagang isa lang yung 18 or maybe some of the 18.
Parang sa media lang nila gustong
Wala namang effort talaga eh. Not insistence. Walang effort na makipag-usap na baka pwedeng tawagin.
Pero in-offer nyo na sir, di ba?
In-offer ko na, yeah.
Kung bago sir, kung makikipag-usap sana sa inyo, you're willing to meet with...
Yeah, because I should really clarify muna. Ano ba ito sasabi nyo? Parang do the math. At tingnan natin kung physically possible, logistically possible, edi pag-usapan natin at iisa lang natin. Ayoko lang iniwasan ko yung mag-hearing ka, mauwi lang sa contempt. Alam mo, wala naman kaming lugar dito. 18 yung tutulong mo.
Sir, bakit walang...
Hindi ko naman maiwasan kung mayroong mag-motion, to cite them in contempt of the committee. So mag-motion dyan, tapos magbobotohan kami. Kung ipakulong.
So walang betting kay Governor Chavit?
Well, he's a former governor. Kaya I leave it up to him to justify his presence. Mag-testify siya. Anyway, bakita na niya naman yung credibility or incredibility, whichever the case, ng kanyang sasabihin.
Sir, basta sir sa hearing, wala kayong na-invite sir sa 18.
Sir, makakarating po tayo ng elevator. Umasa po kayo dyan.
When? Sabi niyo, when?
Tuloy na tuloy niya.